Hello students, today we will discuss about character of Benjamin. Benjamin in Animal Farm is the oldest animal. He is the old major's donkey, but he is wiser than the latter. He is a bad-tempered donkey who seldom talks. He is also a cynic for whom pain or pleasure has no meaning. He never laughs because, according to him, there is nothing to laugh at. He is a friend to Boxer and always lives with him but without any speech. He understands everything and knows that Boxer is being sent to horse slaughterhouse. But he does not protest. In fact, he remains a passive observer of things. Even the revolution of animals does not excite him because he thinks that it cannot change the condition of animal. Benjamin in Animal Farm plays the role of an objective observer. He watches everything, does his duty well and remains friendly even with the ruling pigs. The Animal Farm consists of different types of animals. There are 3 fierce dogs named Bluebell, Jessie and Finch. Bluebell and Jessie have 9 strong puppies. Napoleon try these dogs as his secret police. These dogs are very loyal to Napoleon. They help him in banishing his rival Snowball from Napoleon. They also attack Boxer, the strongest animal of farm, but Boxer proves to be stronger than the dogs. Napoleon succeeded in imposing the reign of terror on the farm only because of the team of these faithful and ferocious dogs. At the allegorical level, these dogs represent the secret police of the Soviet Union during Stalin regime. Orwell's Animal Farm is a political novel written with a definite purpose. Orwell himself writes that it is the first look in which I have tried, with full consciousness of what I am doing, to first political purpose and artistic purpose into one whole. The novel is written in the allegorical style, and so like an allegory, it is an extended narrative which has a second meaning along with its surface story. It contains a bitter satire on the communistic regime of Russia and Russian Revolution of 1917. Apparently, Animal Farm is an animal fable. The animals of the Manor Farm revolt against the cruelty and tyranny of their human master, Mr. Jones. They are deeply inspired by Old Major's vision of unity and freedom. Under the leadership of Napoleon and Snowball, the animals of the farm drive out human owners from the farm and become the complete master themselves. The Manor Farm is changed into Animal Farm. The pigs become the rulers of the farm, and Napoleon, after vanishing, Snowball becomes the sole master of the farm. Napoleon assumes more and more power till he becomes a dictator with the support of all the pigs and the team of 9 ferocious dogs. He turns out to be a worse tyrant than Mr. Jones. He gradually violates all the noble commandments of animalism. Other animals are afraid of his tyranny and the fierceness of his ferocious dogs. He becomes totally corrupt because power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. The above story of the fate of animals at the Manor Farm is a satirical allegory of Soviet It reflects the event landing on the Stalin era in Russia. The satire in the novel is directed against the corruption that made people's lives miserable during Stalin's regime. The failure of animalism represents the failure of socialism in the Soviet Union due to the tyranny of Stalin. The failure of revolution at the farm bring to light the universal fact that great revolutions start with high hopes, but soon the leaders grow corrupt and common people suffer untold hardships and even hunger and starvation at the hands of new leaders. The events and characters in Animal Farm present the early history of Russia. Major the oldest war in the Manor Farm represents Karl Marx and Lenin, who inspired the people to overthrow the old Soviet regime under Nicholas II. Snowball the White War at Manor Farm bears a parallel to Leon Turkey. Napoleon, another White War, forms a parallel to Stalin, who set up dictatorship by power through tactics. Scholar, a small fat poker server, as Napoleon's public speaker. He represents all the propaganda that Stalin used to justify his own heinous actions. Mr. Jones represents Nicholas II of Russia. Frederick represents Hitler and his Nazi party, while Plantagenet represents the Western powers such as Britain and the USA. Moses the Raven represents the Church of Russia. Dogs and animals who give protections to Napoleon from a parallel to Red Army and NKVD. Animal Farm is Orwell's powerful satire on the fate of revolution in general and the Russian Revolution in particular. It is a witty story in the form of animal fable, but clearly expresses how good intentions, self-sacrifice, and idealism can be deceived by greed and thirst for power. The book is rightly regarded as one of the best satires of the English language. This novel is admirable for its apparent simplicity of the theme. It deals with the rebellion of animals on an English farm against the cruelty of their human master. The rebellion begins when one of the cows breaks down the door of the store shed while she is too much hungry. The animals get united and drive out Mr. Jones, their cruel human master. There constitute 7 commandments of animalism in order to run the farm properly. The manor farm is changed into Animal Farm. Napoleon and Snowball, the two young wards, take over the charge of the farm. Soon Napoleon provokes his dogs to chase Snowball away. He abuses power and becomes a cruel dictator. Under his dictatorship, the common animals, other than pigs, lead a miserable life of hunger and starvation. At this level, the novel proves the truth of the saying, power tends to corrupt, absolute power corrupts absolutely. At this level, the novel is also a bitter satire on the Russian communism during the Stalin era. It contains Orwell's bitter criticism of a society which is always opposed to the ideals of freedom, justice, and equality. The author has succeeded in conveying the message that all great revolutions start with good ideals, but with the passage of time, they turn out to be utter failures because of man's lust for power. The story of the animal's miserable condition after the rebellion is the story of the failure of all revolutions. The plot construction of the novel is remarkable for simplicity and integrity. It is not weak like the plot of his other novels. It is well constructed, brief, and easily comprehensible. The characters of the novel are developed interestingly on the basis of contrast. They represent human traits as well as certain contemporary political figures of Russia during Stalin era. For instance, Mr. Jones represents Nicholas II, Napoleon represents Stalin, and Snowball represents Turkey. The incidents happening on the farm are the allegorical presentations of certain events of Russian history. The Rebellion of Animals presents a picture of the Russian Revolution of 1917. The allegorical style and his symbolical interpretations of certain events of Russian history also enhance the interest of the readers. In fact, it is one of the major aspects accounting for the popularity of the novel. The novel is also very popular for its element of humor, wit, and irony. The activities of animals during the Battle of Cowshed, the propaganda of Schiller, and the tactics of Napoleon create a lot of humor in the novel. The meeting of animals on Sunday, the patriotic flag hoisting, the march past, and the school of old major hanging on a pole are highly humorous situations in the novel. The banquet scene in particular makes us burst into laughter when we find Napoleon and Mr. Plinkton at a game of cards. The amendment of the Seven Commandments by adding one or two words is not only witty but also ironical. The climax comes when we read the amendment in the seventh commandment. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others.